Welcome back to Monday Night Racing. This is the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship Series. Let's look at the program. First up, we have Thailand-based Toon Tracks Racing in the Mod Rod. He came off a sensational win against Nero 62 in the 32 Ford. Can he do the double and continue with this winning streak? Stay tuned. And next up, we have Hot Car Track. He's in the military Jeep. He's got one win under his belt in this season. Can he make it two? Will he take it off Toon Tracks Racing? Stay tuned. Monday Night Racing.
Race 1. Racing in the Mod Rod. Oh, that's a big hit.
The first win on Monday night's program goes to Toon Tracks Racing. He's on point, he's on form. Watch out, Hot Car Track.
Race 2. Winner! Hot Car Track in the military Jeep. Oh, these guys are having fun.
They certainly are, and Hot Car Track gets his first win in tonight's tournament. All squared up out of race 2.
Race 3. Winner! It's Toon Tracks Racing in the Mod Rod. Oh, that was a big hit, and here comes Hot Car Track. These guys are at it.
Some heavy, hard racing right at the end there. It's Toon Tracks Racing with a 2-1 out of race 3.
Race 4. Winner! It's Hot Car Track in the military Jeep.
Well, this is a very close event in tonight's racing. Hot Car Track evens everything up out of race 4. Championship point, next race.
Race 5. Winner! It's Toon Tracks Racing in the Mod Rod. Oh, he's hit that ball hard. He's crazy, man.
He is crazy. He's not frightened to give it a go round Mount Western Raceway. Well, there you go. Toon Tracks Racing out of race 5 retains the club championship. Let's go to the board. Well, there you go. Mark D of CRC Racing and Toon Tracks Racing are head-to-head with 2 wins each in the club championship. Let's wrap it up. This is top of race 1. You can see the Mod Rod goes out fast. Has a nice line into turn 1, hits the wall a bit out of turn 1. Hot Car Track's trying to overtake. Mod Rod picks a beautiful line going into turn 2, floors it coming out of it, and it's an easy win in the first race. The Mod Rod hits that wall hard, and Hot Car Track just slams him. This is race 2, and Hot Car Track has found his form early in race 2. Look at this out of turn 1. Puts his foot to the floor, powers down Mount Western Straight, goes up high into turn 2, and this sets him up for his first win. You can tell he's raced here before, and bang, they hit that back wall again. Top of race 3, and this was always Mod Rod's win. He's floored it right up high, beautiful line out of turn 1. This is the key to winning the tournament and also winning a race. It's just powering down Mount Western Straight, sets you up for turn 2. He can see the line and then he hits this back wall. That's crazy. And Hot Car Track's not happy. Race 4, what happened to the mod rod? I thought he had this all sewn up and that was it. They both come out of turn 1 in a really nice line. Hot Car Track's a little bit slow, but here he just floors it. He goes down low and he takes the advantage. You can see the mod rod slide and he just pushes in front of him and goes, thank you mate, I'm over the line. Make that a double. So Hot Car Track out of race 4 squares everything up. I'm really surprised the mod rod didn't finish that last race and just take the tournament out. And top of race 5, the mod rod goes out fast. He's got a nice line into turn 1. Look at that slide. Hits the wall, no problems over. He just floors it. Look at him go. Puts his foot down and says, right, I'm going hard or I'm going home. He sees that line. He can see the victory. He's going to hold the club championship for 2 wins in a row. He hits that wall hard. Well, there you go. Never a dull moment here on Mount Western Raceway and Monday Night Hot Rods. Toon Tracks Racing holds the cup up high for the 2nd time in a row. Can he back it up for 3? This Thursday night on Hot Rods, we have Brian Kelly from Show Me State Scale Auto Racing. He's driving the mighty 32 Ford. Can he take the crown off Toon Tracks Racing? Stay tuned. See you Thursday. Catch you later.